after weeks of saying it, finally here, Peak District. Come to Padley Gorge. And just got here. I think we set out about 20 past 7, and I think it's just after 9 o'clock. So not too bad. No idea where we're going, as usual. Just trying to follow a path. So let's have a look what goes on. Well, I'm rushing around like a kid in a sweet shop. It's kind of my idea of photography heaven here. There's waterfalls. I mean, look at these trees. Lovely green moss everywhere. Yeah, I'm rushing around like a kid in a sweet shop. There's that many things to take photos of. I mean, I could spend all day just in this one spot here. You see down there. But I've got the family with me, so I can't be expected to kind of stand around in the same spot for like 2 hours. So we're going to move on and just keep looking and just take a load of shots of just everything really. Some might be good, some might not be. I mean, I'm not saying I'm rushed, but yeah, I've got to think of the family and I don't want to kind of keep them hanging about too long. They'll just get bored, and the more they get bored, the more they start moaning. So keep them sweet. I just found this bit of a composition here I really like, and I made everyone wait because I thought if I'm going to get one decent one, I think this might be the shot. I'll just show you. I'll flip the camera around. So I went for that kind of shot there, and a couple there, and no, I didn't take, and one from this kind of side. So I took a couple from this kind of point, and I took 2 or 3. This bit here in the water, I had to change over to my A7iv because that's the only camera, that's the only filter, polarizing filter I've got at the moment. I haven't bought one for my new one, so I wanted to kind of get that effect, so I had to swap the camera over. It looked quite good, but we'll have to see. So now we're just going to move on. I think everyone's going to be a bit restless again. Cat bird on there. I do like it here, it's really good. So much to take photos of. There's absolute loads. really good here. I mean, got all this business. I mean, I was rushing around like mad at the start in case I kind of was missing the opportunity for the waterfalls, but there's just waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. It's just picking a good one, or just shooting all of them, which is what I'm doing. And we're just slowly making our way up just to see, you know, what's here and that. But yeah, I think it's, well, I really like it here. There's a lot of stuff to shoot. Well, we're going to head back. My daughter sprained her ankle. My son's twisted a knacker. So yeah, I'm walking with the crippled. It's normally me, my bad back, but I've been fine. But I've took 1,000 shots of waterfalls, well, little waterfalls. I've got to have at least 1 or 2 good ones. But it's been a big welcome change from birds for me. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't mind shooting birds, but I do like to shoot landscape. So when I haven't done it for a while, it's really appreciated. So yeah, we're gonna have a slow walk back and then try and stop on the way home for something to eat, I think. Just showing well, my daughter's picked it up. Coins all in the tree. Tree full of coins. Well, that's it then. We're back. We've had about a 3-hour walk round, and then we're just going to get something to eat on the way back. So yeah, until next week, thanks for watching.